another airdrop video. So in this airdrop video you are gonna see Woox actions. So first you need to do everything I put together. What you need to do next and next, open, and after start done will work, put a UX word. Now I'm gonna share with you visually this work into through this video. So copy this link. For in order to join in this offer, you need to come into my Telegram. How you can come into my Telegram? Check out this video's description box. You will get a Telegram link. Come walk through this with this link, and you will your destination would be here. Okay, so copy this link. I found this Woox. Okay, Woox actions offer. So you can do as what happened. I don't know. So yeah, if my video is ongoing, so anyhow, deleting, see. Okay, so getting that offer link, source here WOOX, and source this link would be pop up here. So copy this link, and what we need to do, just paste on your extension browser. So here it will be like this interface, and I've already done two tasks. That is automatically done. You don't need to do anything about that. So just click on this verify button after joining their Discord. That your Discord, your Twitter will be connected. Your layer 3 platform. Layer 3 is the Quest platform, hosting your platform where um, company host their Quest for their audience. Like we are to connect, we are to interact with their offer. Okay, here we are doing that same. Okay, click on this verify button after connecting after joining their Discord, and that will be done. So time for a quiz. Click on this continue button. What is the Testnets finance all about? Okay, a platform for lending and borrowing cryptocurrency. It is wrong. If it is wrong, click on this a platform for trading altcoin. Okay, which market segment best describes Testnets finance? Okay, so it is DeFi. Click on this continue. Which chain does Testnets finance not support? Stack. uh, which protocol did Testnets finance partner with for LRT assets? Pandal, PSTech, this one. Okay, if it is not, click on there. If it is not, click another. Okay, you have a lot of like multiple option, unlimited option. Okay, what is style? What is the style of options that Testnets finance is implementing? European, American nation, all above. If you click on all above, not, it's European. Okay, click on this European button. How many sources of yield does Testnets finance have? Options: premiums from basic balls, lending interest from lending market, and trading fees from all the above. Click on this continue button. What are the leaf balls of May 2024? So if it is not, click on all the above. If it is not, click on another. Okay, what type of option instrument is used for the PTWE Ethereum pulse on Arbitrum? Okay, so covered call, click on there, continue. What type of options instrument is used for PT/USD default? Okay, put buying if it is not put selling. Okay, so put selling. And what is the longest tenure of options? The in Testnets finance, weekly, bi-weekly. Click on this bi-weekly, and done. Your quick start time for on full. Okay, so now what they said in the red right hand word: if you don't have a QIC at account.ux, please correct on. Okay, you need to just correct. You don't need to do anything about correct QIC or type of thing identify. You just need to correct an account, and yeah, that account UID just paste on next option. If you click on there, here we see what's your UX UID. So in order to getting UID, you need to click on this here option. So click on this here option, and that here option will bring you inside of the entire open page where you need to correct your account. If you don't have, maybe majority people don't have this thing, what you need to do in order to correcting all it, first click on this register with email, and very first I'm correcting my account. Okay, so I'm come back. So our account corrected done. So click on this verify button and you will enter inside of their website. Okay, here is main option you are seeing, and here is my account, and you will get everything here. So what happened? So if I click the three dot button, okay, nothing else here. If I click on this main button here, something is here. If I click on, if I do this thing desktop, okay, I don't need to do anything about that. Okay, if I do desktop, what happened after doing that? Maybe UID would be pop up. If you facing any problem, feel free to write down comment. And now if I click on this main button, I done this work, but where I get this account UID, I don't remember. Wait, okay, here we get UID. Click this copy button, copy it successfully, and after doing that, come back in the main tab. Okay, so I'm click this tab button, and here we go. Here we have this option, so paste your UID here. Okay, and click this continue button. Okay, so after doing that, claim reward 50 XP points, switch to Arbitamon. So in order to climb that thing, you need to have some Arbitum Ethereum on your wallet. Okay, like not so much, 0.00001, something like that. Maybe you don't need to have so much, little bit amount of money. And click on this approve button, click switch, and come back, come back inside of here, not here, here. So mint cube, check out your MetaMask here. I'm seeing you, it's still loading. Wait twice a minute here, and after check your extension, definitely your extension get notified by your Atom team. Okay, so it's still loading, keep loading. Few minutes, few seconds later, it will be on pop up in front of you like network is busy, gas price is high, this sort of thing. But it will be confirmed because Arbitrum Ethereum is less consuming rather than Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so if I go to the main page, sorry, the task page, here we go, we are done, we get our point. Okay, quest completed. So this is the work, and our MetaMask get notified, uh, you know, our bit get already get notified by our task, so on and so forth. Okay, so this is the task. That was the airdrop that I shared with you today. If you face any problem, feel free to write down comment. I will definitely respond to you. Okay, I'm hungry for you. I'm hungry, I'm ready for help you. Okay,